Make a great choice today with the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration, keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.